because him know exactly what happened to Jayden, and him is a part of what happened to Jayden Smith. So him come out and him lie to make them get away with the perfect crime, but none of them now get away. None of them now get away. Not one of them now get away with hurt Jayden. They should never mess with that child. On see, on underestimate Jayden Smith. On things that Jayden Smith, the mother poor, his mother was the worst thing. But you never did know, say he was God anointed trial. Just like all the woman of the well, everybody condemn her. Every single body condemn her. And the Lord asked them, who without sin cast the first stone? None of them could have cast the first stone. When I see Jayden over there, when I see Jayden don't have nobody, when I swear say Jayden was the right kid for mess with, and that wanna go wrong by. Wanna swear say Jayden was a nobody, but you never know say the Almighty was in a Jayden corner. Only if you didn't know, wanna mess with the wrong picnic. See the most I reveal, say the principal is a lion. The principal is a lion. See the most I reveal the principal there. The principal is a lion. It make me watch you for 7 months. And nobody else does fight Jayden. Only you. Because you are lion and you are wicked. You know exactly what happened to Jayden. I tell you now, on the best with the wrong picnic. On a mess with the wrong child. On a mess with the wrong child. On a swear Jayden at nobody. You see the people who want to swear at nobody. I want to swear so the body don't want them. Listen, that's how the pity them want to know for mess with. Cause let me tell you something. You don't know how much time probably Jayden reach out and touch the garment. You don't know how much time Jayden probably reach out and touch God's garment. And God will fight him back for him. I promise you that. I promise God him never lose a fight. The Almighty never lose a fight. You hear me? The Almighty never lose one. And I know, say Jayden Smith case will be solved. God expose everybody to it. Now we know, say you's a big lion and a wicked and an evil serpent man. When you come out and say people see Jayden, you was a lion. You lied to us. How can you come out as a principal and lie to me as the Jamaican parents who respect you as a principal over our picnic? How dare you, principal? Huh? How dare you come out and lie to us? You're an evil person. Evil person. But, listen, wanna mess with the wrong child. Wanna think Jayden was a nobody. Wanna think Jayden's mother was a nobody. Wanna think that she crazy. Listen. Wanna think say them never know, them are nobody, them are this, that. Let me tell you something. You see a person will walk with God and talk with God. Una might think the worst of them, but una never forget say God have them in the palm of his hand. Una never forget that God have Jayden. The people them who think the worst of I don't think you can do every bad things too. God have them in the palm. I'm on. Jayden Smith will get justice. May I tell you that? Jayden Smith will get justice. He has to. Because you underestimate Jayden. Because let me tell you, you underestimate Jayden. You think, the principal, you think you that just come out and you lie to your friend, your police friend them. You lie to your police friends them. So them stop search for Jayden. So now your Jayden dirty wicked family them get off of whatever case. You understand? They don't sit down and laugh on do Jayden. Alright? You never did expect so much bloggers to take up Jayden case. You never expect so much people to love one little boy where them never seen at them life. And you know why? You know why we end up loving him and I fight for him? I know we not do it off our own. I know we are do this off our own. And the Almighty push us out here for Jayden. The little boy won't think say never have nobody. Look how much family now Jayden have. Una shit and a piss right one day. Una mess with the wrong pitney. Una mess with the wrong child. Una never expect this. Turn out for Jayden. Una never in our wildest dreams. Una never would imagine so many people all over the world come out for Jayden Smith. People open up their house for Jayden. See how me open up the whole of my house for Jayden Smith. See me open up the whole of my life for Jayden Smith. Oh, una think send me out here. And I'm a beg me there. I hear the voice say, wake up and use your platform for Jayden Smith. Wake up! I'm cooking me up on my platform. You go look, cooking with Jazz. Cook book me right. I may have a full-time job. Wake up! Wake up, the voice say, I use your platform. I look for my husband and I say to my husband, me don't know Jayden, me don't know nothing about Jayden. And the thing I say, wake up, I'm gonna look for Jayden, use the platform for Jayden. My husband said it seemed like it's a little boy will get missing. Go on, go look up and see. And when me look up and see the next day, I say, me don't know who if come out here come talk, say. When me come out here, pay foolish me at all. And when me I dig deeper and I look deeper, I saw me know about Jayden. I cook book me right. Ram, bring my book them come. I book me right. And sell book. I have my platform where I sell my products. You understand? See, I books and them things that I sell. Books and these things. Ram, bring my book them come. Books and these things. We have a whole garage full with goods. 1 ton of goods. But you see, when God at work, I'm going to tell you something. Oh, God. I told me I talk to Yahweh. And she can't tell you them. I lose every money. I tell her. It's a dog with just start right here, so. Stop with rubber and bring my book them in the Java room. You know me I talk to the right here, so. And something just slip me. I saw God work. I saw the Most High work. You see, if we never lose everything, Yeah, want me get my answer from God right now, right, yes, sir. You see, if my TikTok shop never closed down, me couldn't fight for Jayden. Because the way me busy I sell stuff, the amount of stuff we used to ship out of the house, yes, sir. The amount of stuff me a ship out, yes, sir. Goods up on top of goods I come out, yes, sir. Me get closed down. And me ask God why. And when me go over there, so look while I go for grab the stuff, them people. But I have more book up there, but fine. See how them things are right. See how them things are right. See how? And when we go over here, so look while I go and grab this stuff. The vice said to me, I closed up everything so you could have time for Jayden. As we grab the things, yes, sir, and that me here. Everything where you lose and me close it down so you could have time for Jayden. Cause anyhow, my business is a one the way it would. I could never be out here and fight for Jayden. And me ask you, me said to Yahweh today, me said, why we lose everything? We don't know, we can't tell. I said, no, me realize why we lose everything. Because God want me out here, the most I want me out here. Him do everything happen for a reason. Every single thing in your life happen for a reason. Everything you see happen, it happen for a reason. Because me ask the question over and over. Ask her today. Oh, me lose everything and almost I cry again. Over when me lose. And me lose my shop. Me don't know who, but me lose my shop from somebody over China. Me have so much goods. So much goods. And when me I sell goods, me I sell. I'll have a kitchen over here so pack up with goods. I ship out. And whenever me lose,